Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting power and proximity right. Charge both devices to around 50% or more so they don't die mid-setup. Turn on Bluetooth on the speaker and your mic and place the mic into pairing mode, usually a long press, so it advertises. Once done, keep them within 10 meters and remove heavy interference like Wi-Fi routers or metal obstacles, because stability matters. Make sure the speaker is in an input state that accepts Bluetooth connections before you look for device names on your phone or controller. Now you actively pair. Scan for the mic's Bluetooth name on the speaker or on your phone/controller and select it. Devices usually label as mic plus model. If a PIN appears, enter common codes like 0000 or 1234 and accept. Once paired, choose the mic as the audio input and the speaker as the audio output in the device's Bluetooth or audio settings, because correct routing prevents silent audio. Finally, test with a short vocal check to ensure the signal passes through at an audible level. Finish by setting gain and speaker volume. Start low, then raise until clear without clipping. This prevents distortion. If audio stutters, drop the volume, unpair, and repair. Often a restart of both devices clears transient issues. Make sure firmware is up to date if available, because updates fix compatibility. If problems persist, clear the Bluetooth cache on your controller or phone, or perform a factory reset on the mic. This single troubleshooting move often resolves pairing conflicts and restores reliable audio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.